Every Roof Maxx treatment comes with a 5-year warranty, giving you documented protection and peace of mind that the treatment will perform as promised. Here's how it works and what it covers. Your treated shingles are warranted to ensure that they maintain their flexibility for at least 5 years after treatment. Flexibility is what makes shingles strong and resilient, so this is one of the most important indicators that a roof will offer effective protection against the elements. If they lose flexibility within that window under normal conditions, your certified Roof Maxx dealer will retreat the affected areas on a prorated basis over the 60-month warranty period. The warranty is also fully transferable. Sell your home before it expires, and the coverage goes with it. This can be a real selling point when you're listing. Plus, your warranty remains valid, even if your shingles' original manufacturer warranty is void. Now, let's talk about what your Roof Maxx warranty isn't meant to cover and why. The warranty does not cover leaks from faulty installation or damage caused by events like hail or high winds. That's a reasonable boundary once you understand what Roof Maxx actually does. It restores flexibility to aging asphalt shingles, which helps them last longer and withstand the elements more effectively. Roof Maxx is not meant to be structural repair, and it's not designed to stand in for storm damage protection. For a roof that is structurally sound and simply aging, the warranty covers exactly what matters. Here's why our warranty is important. A full roof replacement can cost tens of thousands of dollars, and the new shingles may not perform the way you expect. In fact, shingles advertised as low cost will not last as long as the previously manufactured shingles, since shingle quality has deteriorated over the years. A Roof Maxx treatment costs up to 80% less and comes with documented protection that it will do its job. That documentation matters beyond just the warranty itself. It gives you a service record you can point to when selling your home or dealing with an insurance question. And because treatments can be reapplied every 5 years, you can maintain both your roof's condition and your warranty coverage over time, rather than facing a single large replacement expense. To find out if your roof qualifies, contact a Roof Maxx dealer near you. They'll evaluate your roof and walk you through exactly what the warranty covers for your situation. Many homeowners who choose Roof Maxx restorations successfully extend the life of their existing asphalt shingles and put costly replacement off for years. Visit roofmaxx.com to learn more and find a dealer near you.